Hello everyone. Today I would like to share with you several things that actually makes my driving experience with the limousine in urban area quite pleasant. At least it's not some kind of burden as many people would think, because it's a big car, heavy car, and people prefer this one in front of me, smaller cars, because they accelerate faster and they stop easier, they're maneuvering easily. You can park them in the city, and yes, I completely agree with all those things. But actually, the first thing why, and the major reason why I feel comfortable with the limousine in urban area or whatever it is because I'm quite tall. I'm 192 centimeters tall, which is 6'4" or 3", I think. And believe me, I don't fit that easily in every car. I mean, my first car was Opel Astra from 1992, and it's a hatchback, quite small, tiny, and you can pull the seat really back, so you can barely touch the gas and the pedals and the brake, and arms are stretched. But it's not only about this. Since I'm a big person, when I walk down the streets on the boulevards, I'm bigger than most of the people around me, and I'm used to this. And my entire life I've been bigger than the other people, and it kind of makes me feel like I'm in my skin when I'm on the street with a big car like this. It feels me. It feels natural. I also have a smaller car, Audi, and before that I've had a Mercedes S-Class from the 1998, and I felt small cars, big cars. I didn't try really sports cars with two-seated. That's really not my thing. But being in a big car, it feels like home. It feels like I'm in my skin. The second reason why I actually enjoy driving a big car, it's actually contradicting many people what they think, what they say, is big doesn't mean slow. This car, it's 2009, and it has it's a 730 LD long version, and usually limousines like this, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, they don't put small engines. This is not the biggest engine, of course. This is 730. It's 300 cubic liters, and it's big enough. 245 horsepower, and if you want to push it, you just push it. You don't. It doesn't think twice. It accelerates from 0 to 100 for 7 seconds, if I'm not mistaken, 7.2 or something like this. And I'm driving slowly with it. You have 4 options of driving regime. It's comfort, normal, sport, and sport plus. Well, I'm kind of avoiding sport plus because sport plus is not faster than sport. It's just removes the traction control, and let's just say that I'd like to play safe. If you want to speed up, you put on sport or sport plus, and just push the pedal, and you're fast. You're fast. You don't have to drive slow or every time. Also, this is another. It's not contradiction. Actually, people are right about this, but still can. They say that if car is big, it means big consumption. Well, yes, of course, it's more mass, but you can get very close to a smaller car consumption that person drives aggressively, and if you drive with calmness. If you drive slow, then you can lower the consumption and make it as close as possible. I really don't want to hurry. I'd like to leave house or leave for where I'm going, to leave earlier so I can have time. I'm quite calm person, and yeah, I give myself extra minutes, 10 or 15 minutes, to just drive slowly. And actually this it makes me lower the consumption of the fuel. So how does that happen? I keep distance from cars. I don't get close to them. And why I do this? Because okay, safety is one reason, but the other one is when I keep distance and I see that the person, the car in front of me is slowing down, or it's trying to stop, I also slow down way before the car. And if it's turning right or going off the main road, I don't have to completely stop. If I'm 100 meters from it, he can slow down and turn, and I don't slow down because of him. So I'm keeping my inertia, I'm keeping my speed as normal, and I'm removing this element of energy consumption. So yeah, as I said, this is a big car. It's more than 2 tons, and it has great inertia. I'm using the inertia quite a lot. My feet are on the gas pedal. That doesn't mean it's I'm pushing it. I'm just gently pushing it, little by little, and trying to drive smoothly. The fourth reason, actually, why I enjoy this car is because it really, how do you say it? It really mimics my personality. As I said, I'm a calm person, and I put it on comfort or normal, mostly on comfort, and really helps me calm down. You know, as we all have we all have moments of high blood pressure, or someone's making us angry or something, or the football team is not winning or something, whatever it is. You know, whatever it is, we're getting angry for some stupid stuff, but when you drive, it kind of calms you down. And imagine you're angry and you go into a sports car with manual shifting, and you have to change on a higher RPM because otherwise it doesn't go well, and you will drive fast. And if you drive fast, you're faster than the others, and you be angry at the others that they are not fast. I actually see them as slow, as snails, and this really makes you angry, or it doesn't make your driving experience pleasant. And this is not my personality. My personality is just calmly driving the streets, roaming the streets, and day or night, whatever it is, I have really enjoy that slow driving with this car. Yeah, well, so that's those are the principles that I want to share with you, why actually I enjoy driving big limousine cars like this one. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and if you watched the previous videos, in general, if you are just a member of the channel, if you're following my videos, I really want to thank you, because this means a lot to me. If you like that video, please click subscribe, click the like button, share your opinion of what I've said. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree or something? And yes, we see each other on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.